Snowfall 2014. It's kind of like a blizzard. Huge flakes falling. Here's my car. Totally covered up. Can't even hardly see it. There's the trees and the snow falling.